cooler. How's your setup outside? Did you connect the gas body yet? Why not? Get your trays ready. Where's that silver tray? It's under here. Underneath. How many trays? With the 4, how many trays do you need? Get the tinfoil one too. There's a tinfoil one under.
Okay.
Get the tinfoil one.
Okay guys, that was such a
The
cool
tinfoil one is
experience.
under here too.
I absolutely loved that. We met Guillermo and he was so lovely. So he's one of the owners with them.
Oh, looks like we gotta go there.
Get it. What was I saying? He's one of the owners, yeah. Him and Lisa there. Okay.
That was cool, eh? So we're going to Santa Monica now. Pull up, Santa Monica. Sure. If you know Santa Monica, that's where I grew up. Back when I was here in 1995.
Where the pops are?
Look, Barry.
Hang out.
The top shelf where the soy sauce letters.
So I can take this one.
And you know, underneath
American accent.
Yeah, so
underneath the onions in there, grab a container with the lid. Take that too.
Vanderpump Syrup was so amazing. I'm pretty good.
Those goat cheese balls were right up there with the worst.
Those are the things you're gonna.
Like, I even know that my balls are better than those. Where's American accent? From now on, the fuck is American. American? Shout out to Bob. So as you can see over here, we got the latest Genesis right here. We got a Genesis. It's all 22 right there. We got a Porsche GTS. Porsche. We got a Porsche GTS right here. Oh yeah. 22. Congratulations.
You too.
I was gonna say, it's a lineup. It's a lineup. Looks like we're heading to the inside cocktail. I have no idea where we are, but it is pumping. Every place in Mars. Damn. It's probably not the right kind of bars for my little brothers to be at. I mean, you know, I'm not judging, but yeah, it's really happening out here. Right now, I have no idea what's going on or what they're talking about.
On chain at NFC. See that.
How far is it to Venice Beach?
Like 40 minutes. Well, it depends. I don't know. Traffic. Can you go like an hour?
Yeah.
Like 30 and now it's
What about Santa Monica?
like 10 minutes.
Oh, so shy. So
This
shy.
is Trevally.
Alright guys, end of the vlog. Back at the Indigo. Time to go rest for a big day tomorrow. We're gonna make breakfast. And then we are gonna go to Santa Monica Beach. Maybe we're gonna stop at Shake Shack before that. And maybe Shoe Shop. And again, no, that's my day. And then we got a big event on tomorrow. The whole reason why we're coming here. But we'll save it for another day. Later.
So this is the raw fish. It's a mix.
It's a living inside LA. Yo. What's up? What's up, LA? It's day 2. Oh, we got a nice dog over there. Ha ha ha. There. So this is my rent a car that we got right here. We're going to Cool Kicks today in my rent a car right here.
Nice.
Matching. Hey, show them it's matching your bag and that. Yeah, so we got the car. That way it matches Sunny's outfit for today. Just, you know, little Ferrari things. Right, so excited. It's my first time driving Ferrari. When's that? Alright, maybe another day, guys. But yeah, still no one said hello to us at the front. But that's all good. It's all good. But yeah, I got these shoes here. I follow this YouTuber,
still
right?
want
The icon,
celery?
so I don't know if he's going to be there. So they sell shoes, my shoes, Jordans, this and that, everything. Go check it out. It's about 25 minutes away. So that's our day. That's our start of our day plan. What was the day today? Saturday yesterday. Warriors lost last night. Sydney Roosters lost last night. The boys are still asleep, recovering from their concert. Yeah, that's a nice day. What else? Anything else exciting in LA? Are you excited to be here?
I'm excited to be here. I'm excited to eat more things. I'm excited to eat. We're going to Sir tonight. I don't know if we watched Vanderpump Rules, but we were massive Vanderpump fans. We're going to go to the restaurant where they all worked tonight. So I'm very excited for that. Have the goat cheese balls.
Oh, this is a nice Ferrari, though.
Did you get a photo?
Yeah. I just want to get a fit check. Let's get a fit check on Mummy. Nice. Just get a fit check here, right here, in front of the Ferrari. Yeah.
Shall I answer on JJ's? Top from Cutting On. Back from Uniqlo.
Nice. Alright, my turn. There's Jay's on.
This restaurant is right down there.
Okay, I put celery in the
There's a
okra.
little line there.
Same side?
Yeah, on this same side. It's that white tent.
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay, gotcha.
If you want a burger, fries, maybe some chicken, then check that out.
Let's do that.
Okay.
Absolutely. Let's get them back.
Love the bag too. What's your name again? Justin Jermaine. Nice to meet you, Justin. Alright then, all the best, brother.
Alright guys, we're gonna get to Nipsey Hussle
restaurant, burger place. I don't know what it is, but
Marathon?
Marathon, I think it's called. Also with the white tent.
Yeah.
It's pretty hot, man. There's a jeans on. Bro, I can't believe we got shoes from Cool Kicks.
Marathon.
I can't believe they wanted to put it on.
Oh, I know. He was so nice. I liked him.
Yeah,
Dude,
he's one of my favorites.
oh, I didn't realize you recognized them. Yeah.
Here we got burgers here. Marathon burger, smash burger. Gosh, we gotta get some. We're playing the jams here too. Got a baby face in the background. How was your? Show me the box, please. Ranch and maple. That burger was bad. Yeah. That's good. Chicken burger. Price. Price? Yeah. What's the price? Oh! How much was it? 3 cocktails? How much were your 3 cocktails? $75 in American. So you add that up.
Oh my God.
That's about 100.
$75 American?
Yeah. For 3 cocktails. That's how much we pay in Sydney.
That's crazy. Like that in Australia.
So you're Australian? What?
For two drinks last night, it was $124.
Oh!
Double shot, $124. That's 2 drinks.
For 2 drinks, $120. Oh my gosh. Well, I'm just gonna get them. So how much was it? 75? Let me just get the money thermometer out.
This is their barbecue. They all chipped in because the boys are going to the game. We got 50 patties. What's this? 50 pre-cooked sausages. I already finished cutting my potato. Spring onion got there. This is Chinese honey marinated chicken nibbles. Chicken nibbles, shoulder chops, lamb shoulder chop, bacon for my potato salad. What's this? Lamb, spare ribs, and chicken nibbles, oriental mint. This is double smoke barbecue pork ribs. This is pork loin chops. This is beef steak. So he's going to be cooking the chicken first. Yeah, guys, that is the barbecue Junior and his cousins are gonna do, because they are going to the game tomorrow. Toa Samoa VS Kiwis. And Junior's already got his little setup outside there. And the cooler. It's a bit overcast today. Supra? And Supra's over. Hi, Supra. Hi. Now I'm gonna go boil my bageka and fry my bacon for the potato salad. Inon tissue lapis. Maimaw ngay paper tissue. Move.
Bello, sí, lo bueno. Mà mori mai ang ngi kaya ang ke mi ma oi e fai pa ka ma mai ro oi.
Let's see, Papa. Hi, Dad.
No, Panda's coming to say he doesn't live here, I do.
Come.
You might as well put. Huh? Quit being up.
That's right.
Hello, Kapung, you Mongi Shu and Paddy. It's alright, they can stay out here. You might as well put the other tongue to use, dude.
Huh?
You might as well put the other tongue to use, dude. Huh? Huh? Panda. For sure. Any panda does that. Hi guys, it's your boy Junz. So just doing the barbecue for tomorrow's Toa Samoa game. So let's go.
Shooting on himself. Hello. Hi, Shapa. Hello. Alizade. Come on. Got the lemon tree over here still. Lemon tree. Are those empty?
No. Chicken's on.
Is this empty?
Can you grab some more dollars?
Both of them.
No, just one. Can you bung it, please? Got no fingernails to bung it. That's what I heard about that Modelo bottle, you have to bung it on top. Hmm? That's what I heard about that Modelo. See, how come you can get it perfect and I can't?
Get what?
I can't even get a clean lip off it.
Go, 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 go. Go. Huh? I can't open it.
No, it's pop.
I can't open it.
The pop
My
top.
key.
No,
Where's your key?
I don't have it. Okay.
I can't open. I don't know how to open it first.
Yeah.
Oh.
Just crack it with the...
Whoa.
That's why I got that special offer.
Ooh. Oh, I got it on my shirt.
No, it'll come off.
The sun came out.
know I can feel it on my back.
Panda no.
How did the light end up in the house?
What light? Oh, it's here.
Yeah, it's inside the house. Because it lights up at night. The inside lights up. No, it's inside. The actual lights inside the house. Because it lights up. It glows at night inside.
Panda, did you eat the bird?
Probably while she was doing those sleep baths.
But it's not like it's just like a cat.
Yeah,
Like it's still cold.
yeah, Panda.
It was so food. Yeah. Does it smell like barbecue? Panda no. Super come. Hello. Hello. Okay, go. Go Panda. Go Panda. Go Panda. Go Panda. You go Panda. Hi, super. Hello. Even I got a Toa Samoa shirt too.
Yes, gang, or don't bang.
It's gang or don't bang. And at the back also is up. Oh, the barbecue chicken nibbles in here. Okay. There's lamb chops, sausages and patties. Sausages and patties. Sorry.
No, you're alright. Yeah, no, because you keep on me.
Talofa family and friends, it is a draw between the Kiwis and Toa Samoa.